Hi everyone. Do you ever say, I don't know nothing, or I can't find nothing? Well, you're actually saying the opposite of what you mean. Let's fix those double negatives and sound like a pro. What's a double negative? A double negative happens when you use two negatives in the same sentence, but in English, two negatives make a positive. So, I don't know nothing means, I know something. Let's break it down. Don't is negative. Nothing is negative. Together, don't nothing is positive. Correct it. I don't know anything. More examples. She can't find nobody. She can't find anybody. I don't have no money. I don't have any money. Here's the secret. In English, we use only one negative in a sentence. If you already have don't, can't, isn't, didn't, won't, then use anyone, anything, anywhere. Don't use no one, nothing, nowhere. Let's practice. I can't see nothing. Wrong. I can't see anything. Okay. They didn't go nowhere. Wrong. They didn't go anywhere. Okay. Ready for a mini quiz? Fix these sentences. He doesn't want no help. Wrong. He doesn't want any help. Okay. Perfect. You're rocking it. Remember, one negative is enough. Say, I don't know anything, not, I don't know nothing. If this lesson helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your best negative sentence. Let's keep learning together. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.